Hi, this is Avdhesh and you are in my channel AVD Information, and we are going to talk about air pollution. When harmful substances like gases, dust particles, smoke or odor arises and mixes with air, it causes air pollution. Gases like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbons, etc., released from automobiles cause air pollution. Smoke releases from burning fuels in automobiles or in factories. Burning coal and wood at home also pollute air. The dust particles arise from crops, sweeping houses and roads, cleaning furniture, spraying fertilizers, etc. also pollute air. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Thank you.